Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Tunisian full stitch. The Tunisian full stitch creates a beautiful woven looking fabric, and today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. First, I'm going to show you how to make the stitch, and then I'll show you how to work this stitch into rows, because every other row is different. It basically has a 2-row repeat. If you need a full video tutorial on how to Tunisian crochet, check out my video tutorial. I will have the link below. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already made a little swatch with the Tunisian full stitch. To make the Tunisian full stitch, we will be working into the space between the sets of vertical bars. This set of bars is the first stitch. This is the second stitch. We will be inserting our hook into this space between the two stitches. Insert the hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Remember to actually pull up a loop. Do not leave it tight on your hook. Now for the next stitch, you will be working between these sets of vertical bars. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up another loop. So now that you know how to make this stitch, let's talk about working this stitch in rows. If you are following a pattern, do what the pattern says, but if you are just trying to make something with straight edges and no lean on one side, this is how it works. For row 1, you will insert your hook just like I showed you for the first Tunisian full stitch made. So now I'm going to continue on with my row. Now to end row 1, you will work into this last stitch just like for a normal row. Tilt your work and insert the hook into the last 2 vertical bars at the end of the row. Now for a typical return pass. Yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Continue yarning over and pulling through 2 loops until you have 1 loop remaining on the hook. Now for the row 2 of the repeat. You are going to skip that first space and start in the next space. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Continue along until you get to the last stitch. Since we skipped that first space down here, this made a decrease. Now we are going to add a stitch here in this last space, and then also in the end like normal. Every row should have the same number of stitches. Now you can make your return pass and continue with the 2-row repeat. Remember that Tunisian crochet curls, but a little blocking will make it lay flat. I hope y'all liked this video tutorial. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment below, or give it a share on social media. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Until next time, bye!